Alrighty, morning guys. We're up to day 2 now. I've just gone out again into Paranella Park and captured a bit more B-roll footage on the camera. Managed to get the SD card working last night, thank God, so that's great. GoPro's still out of action though, so that'll be something I'll be working on today. So yeah, just currently got a few shots down the Cowrie Avenue. These trees are absolutely beautiful and massive. It's also where the Australian military got their uniform patterns, as you can see. Very familiar. So yeah, today we're hopefully going to be making it out to Airlie Beach. Again, I was there just last weekend on a footy trip, so it'll be interesting. Yeah, bit of a definitely longer day, roughly about 6.5 hours. So yeah, see how we go with that. I'm still going to stick around and get a few more shots here before we go, and yeah, then we'll start packing up. Just about to start the next part of the day driving, day 2. Just had a shower and freshened up a bit, all packed up, ready to go. Just going to go to the cafe and possibly get a coffee and some of their famous scones. So, see what they taste like and how they go, and then yeah, we'll be hitting the road, head off to Airlie. Should take about 6.5 hours, so I'll hopefully be there by at the latest 4 maybe. See how we go. Good way to start the day. Also had a quick coffee and a couple of the freshly made scones there at Paranella Park with their tropical jam. Absolutely amazing, really nice. If you ever stay in there, definitely recommend you get those at some point before you leave. And yeah, a lot of the proceeds and whatnot go to the restoration of the actual park itself and to the people that work there, so it's for a good cause, and well, 2 good causes. One is Paranella Park and the second one being my stomach, so highly recommend. One of the best coffees I've had. Just made it to the Frosty Mango, just for a quick stop. Might get a cheeky frozen mango or ice cream or something to eat along the way. Just got to check the swag on top of the roof. Seems to be a weird sound coming from that, I've noticed, and sort of started driving. So I'll just go double check that that's on properly and all the straps are fine and whatnot. Yeah, just get up and stretch legs for a bit. So yeah, quick stop and then we'll be back on our way. And that would be what that noise is. Yeah, cardboard that I've got underneath the swag to stop it from scratching the top of my car, just getting a bit wrecked. And right there is also my dream car, Toyota Trippy. Alrighty, update. Tried to fix the cardboard on top of the roof as best as I could under the swag. Picked up a mango smoothie. Really nice actually, very refreshing. This will probably just end up being my lunch stop for the day, to be honest. Nothing too big. Probably about another half hour out of Townsville at the moment. So almost somewhat halfway. And then yeah, on to Airlie. Couldn't find my driving glasses, so I've had to pick another pair out of the back. These are my Antonio & Co sunnies, and if you don't mind them, they're not too bad. There'll probably be a link in the description somewhere for those. So yeah, about to hit the road again. Hopefully I haven't left anything behind. Don't think I have, but yeah, we'll keep going. Hopefully there's no more problems with the swag on the roof. It's still there, which is always a good thing. And yeah, let's keep going. Finally made it to Airlie. Oh, what a drive that was. I thought it was a long day. Finally made it down to Airlie, just chilling out in the lagoon at the moment. Been a long day in the car, so I'll probably go for a quick dip before I decide where I'm about to stay tonight. Well, just finished cooking dinner for the night. Just had a salad and some tuna noodles. I unfortunately forgot to take the sticker off the bottom of the pot, so now the whole kitchen smells like burnt plastic. Pro tip, don't do that when you're at a hostel. Alright guys, made it to the dorm. Here I am, we got a 1 bed of 8. That's what we're sharing the room with. So yeah, bit better view. That's my bunk right there, at the top. The second last one in here to fill it up. Only met one of the other people so far. All the others must be out, so that's cool. Yeah, got my setup here. Got the Tropic Fuel gear going. Super easy to use. Simply pull out what you need, and it compresses back up and fits in my bag beautifully. So yeah, dinner's done. The kitchen disaster's over. Still smells like burnt plastic in there, but so yeah, thinking I might go grab a drink, go over to the boaties, and I miss bingo. That sucks, but yeah, I might go to the boaties and yeah, have a drink or two over there, and yeah, hopefully probably gonna head off pretty early tomorrow. So ideally, I'd like to also get the drone up as well before sunrise, get the drone and camera back out again. Some cool shots over the ocean and the boats out in the sea. So I have to see how that goes, but yeah. Until then, we'll just have to see what happens. Alrighty, just spent a couple of hours down at the Boaties restaurant and bar. Had a bit of a dance, met a few other backpackers and whatnot. Had a pretty good time. Had to call it quits early, obviously. We've got the early start tomorrow. Hoping to get up and get the drone out and camera out for sunrise and see what we can do with that. So far I love Airlie Beach. Great place to be, especially if you're a young backpacker. Male or female, doesn't really matter, but cracking place. Plenty of bars and clubs and restaurants and stuff to check out and see, and highly recommend. And that's only in Airlie Beach. All the best stuff off the coast, on the islands. The island's absolutely amazing. I won't be doing any of it today, but I've done it before. And they're absolutely sensational. The photos don't do it justice, so anyway, I'm going to call it a night and see how we go in the morning. Until then, peace out.